Abby Prangs has just discovered that the DNA results that sent her racing halfway across the world are incorrect. They identified Edna Kaminiri as Abby's biological mother. But follow-up tests show that isn't true.
How are you supposed to tell these guys?
I don't know, Abby. I'm so sorry.
We decide to confront the man who promised Abby so much and was so careless with the truth. The head of Zimbabwe-based Global DNA, Tinashe Mugabe.
Hello, Tinashe.
Hi.
Matt Doran from the Sunday night program in Australia. How are you?
I'm well, thank you.
There's some serious question marks about the DNA tests you've been carrying out. Why did you mess it up?
I didn't mess up anything.
Mr. Mugabe seems to have forgotten his explicit confirmation to a trusting Abigail that his tests proved that Edna was indeed her biological mother.
Do you understand you are playing with a young woman's life?
There is no breach whatsoever.
This is a young woman's life you are messing with here, sir.
No. We helped her. How can I be messing when I'm helping her? Has she given me anything? Nothing yet from her.
She gave you her trust.
Yes.
And that would have been that.
Thank you.
The last we saw of Mr. Mugabe, he was driving off into the distance. But then, later that night, he suddenly appeared at our hotel with 4 policemen in tow.
I'm going to run away, it's okay.
It seems Mr. Mugabe didn't like us questioning the integrity of his business. And he has some very powerful friends.
You want me to call someone?
The cops say they're taking us in for questioning.
Don't feel.
They won't tell us why. As we're driven away, we suddenly realise it's actually Tinashe Mugabe behind the wheel. We're able to film some of what happens using a hidden phone. I'm currently sitting at Harare Central Police Station. We don't think we've been arrested, but we've just been heavied into here. I had a guy grab me by the throat and tell me that we needed to come with him for questioning. So here we are. They've just taken our ID. The extraordinary thing about this is that we were driven here by Tinashe, the guy from Global DNA who conducted the tests. What? We have no idea what's going on, but this is extraordinary. All through the night, Mugabe struts around the police station as if he owns the place. Finally, we are told why we've been detained.
We intend to kidnap the complainant, Tinashe Mugabe.
I attempted to kidnap him.
That's the allegation. You grab his hand, right hand, and try to pull him into a vehicle with tinted windows without his consent.